everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So in today's video we are going to learn indefinite pronomen. Indefinite pronomen or in English indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that do not refer to any person, amount or thing in particular. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any person, amount or thing in particular, and it is used for persons, things and for both. For persons, things and for both. So we have some indefinite pronouns here. So let's see. First of all, for the things, für Sachen, alles. Alles. So everything. Feel. Feel. Much. Etwas. Etwas. Something. Vanish. Vanish. Little. Nichts. Nichts. Nothing. Welch. Some. Some. Now für Personen, for persons, man. Man. One. Jemand. Jemand. Someone or somebody. Someone or somebody. Niemand. Niemand. No one. Nobody. No one. Nobody. Now für beide, for both. Alle. So alle we can use for person as well as for a thing. Viele. Viele. Many. Manche. Manche. Some. Einige. Einige. Again some. Jede. Jede. Each. Keine. Keine. No one. So first of all we are going to see these all pronomens für Sachen, for things in detail. So let's see some examples. So alles. Alles. Ich kann nicht alles auf einmal machen. Ich kann nicht alles auf einmal machen. I cannot do everything at once. I cannot do everything at once. Das Auto hat viel gekostet. Das Auto hat viel gekostet. The car cost a lot. The car cost a lot. Suicide esse ich nur wenn ich. Suicide esse ich nur wenn ich. At the moment, I can eat a little. At the moment, I can eat a little. Hast du nichts von ihm gehört? Hast du nichts von ihm gehört? Haven't you heard anything from him? Haven't you heard anything from him? Hast du etwas von ihm gehört? Hast du etwas von ihm gehört? Have you heard something from him? Have you heard something from him? Welch? Ich habe mein Geld vergessen. Kannst du mir welches leihen? Ich habe mein Geld vergessen. Kannst du mir welches leihen? I left my money behind. Can you lend me some? I left my money behind. Can you lend me some? So here you can see I just marked the S. S. So the indefinite pronomen welch needs to be declined just like the adjectives. For that, you can refer to this table. So here we have nominative Fall, accusative Fall, dative Fall. So in masculine nominative, this is welche, welche, feminine welche, neutrum welches, plural welche. Accusative welchen, feminine welche, neutrum welches, plural welche. Dative welchem, feminine welche, neutrum welchem, plural welchen. So you have to remember this table. And plus welche can be also used as W-Frage. W-Frage. Now we are going to see the indefinite pronomen for persons. So let's see. So now für Personen, for persons. Man, one. Jemand, someone or somebody. Niemand, no one or nobody. Important. These pronomen also change according to the case, according to the nominative, accusative and dative. So in nominative, man is man only. Jemand is jemand, niemand, niemand. But in accusative, man change into einen, einen. Jemand change into jemanden, jemanden. And niemand change into niemanden, niemanden. In dative, einem, einem, niemandem, niemandem. Noch einmal, man, jemand, niemand. Einen, jemanden, niemanden. Einem, jemandem, niemandem. So, we have to learn this table. But when we speak, we can use jemand or niemand in accusative or in dative case both. So this is also right. Now let's see some examples here. So let's do first of all man, einen und einem. So in nominative case, was kann man nur machen? Was kann man nur machen? What can one do? What can one do? Accusative, das Leben wird schön, wenn du einen liebst. Das Leben wird schön, wenn du einen liebst. Life becomes beautiful when you love one. Life becomes beautiful when you love one. Wenn es einem nicht gefällt, sollte man es lieber nicht machen. Wenn es einem nicht gefällt, sollte man es lieber nicht machen. If you do not like it, you should not do it. If you do not like it, you should not do it. Now, moving to the next pronomen. Now, jemand, jemanden, jemandem. Nominative, jemand hat die Tür gelassen. Jemand hat die Tür gelassen. Someone left the door open. Someone left the door open. Accusative, hast du hier jemanden gesehen? Hast du hier jemanden gesehen? Did you see someone here? Did you see someone here? Dative, ich spreche mit jemandem, weiß aber nicht, wer es ist. Ich spreche mit jemandem, weiß aber nicht, wer es ist. I am talking to someone, but I do not know who he is. I am talking to someone, but I do not know who he is. Now, moving to the next pronomen, niemand, niemanden, niemandem. So, let's see. Niemand, niemanden, niemandem. So, nominative, niemand ist schneller als ich. Niemand ist schneller als ich. Nobody is faster than me. Nobody is faster than me. Accusative, ich warte auf niemanden. Ich warte auf niemanden. I am not waiting for anyone. I am not waiting for anyone. Wir haben es niemandem erzählt. Wir haben es niemandem erzählt. We did not tell anyone. We did not tell anyone. Now, we are going to see some pronomen which we can use for both things and persons. So, let's see. Alle. So, alle, all. So, alle we can use for both, for person as well as thing. Alle haben mir bei dem Projekt geholfen. Alle haben mir bei dem Projekt geholfen. Everyone helped me with the project. Everyone helped me with the project. And hier sind viele Äpfel. Alle schmecken gut. Hier sind viele Äpfel. Alle schmecken gut. Here are many apples. All taste good. Here are many apples. All taste good. So here in second case, alle is for apples. And in the first case, alle, this is for everyone, every person. So now moving to the second example, viele, many. Viele sind der Meinung, dass Fast Food ungesund ist. Viele sind der Meinung, dass Fast Food ungesund ist. Many believe that fast food is unhealthy. Many believe that fast food is unhealthy. So in this case, many is for many people, many person. Hunde sind sehr gehorsam, viele sind aber auch gefährlich. Hunde sind sehr gehorsam, viele sind aber auch gefährlich. Dogs are very obedient, many are also dangerous. Dogs are very obedient, many are also dangerous. So in this case, viele. So viele here is not for person, that is for dog, but not for person. Now next example, manche, some. Manche denken nur an sich. Manche denken nur an sich. Some only think of themselves. Some only think of themselves. Einige, some, sind viele Bücher. Einige will ich mitnehmen. Hier sind viele Bücher. Einige will ich mitnehmen. Here are many books. I want to take some with me. Here are many books. I want to take some with me. Jeder, each. Jeder von uns wollte helfen. Jeder von uns wollte helfen. Each of us wanted to help. Each of us wanted to help. So here you can see I mark R. So just like the Welsh, jeder has also ending. Similar to the Welsh. Keine, no one. Hier sind viele Regeln. Ich verstehe keine. Hier sind viele Regeln. Ich verstehe keine. Here are many rules. I do not understand any. Here are many rules. I do not understand any. So great. With this, we have finished our indefinite pronomen. So I hope this topic is clear to you. If yes, try to write some sentences in comment section below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.